Okay, what's up, YouTube? You know who it is? It's Space Crypto coming at you again one more time. About to give you another video. Remember to leave a like. Remember to share. Remember to subscribe. Turn on notifications. Leave a comment down below. Share this video. Also, check out my social media links are in the description. Links are also at the bottom of this video. So, man, Hex, it's crazy, man. Hex has been down big, almost 50% since its all-time high. And I kind of predicted this in the past. I did see this coming. Like I know a lot of people probably are surprised. Some people are probably not surprised, but this is what is expected, right? I mean, when you have such a massive bull to the top, right? Hex going crazy, like just exploding, just literally exploding from 1 cent, over just a 4 or 5 month period. I mean, we're talking about Hex was literally at 1 cent in April, right, and exploding all the way up to 50 cents in September. I mean, that's just insane. Like just the insane bull run for Hex, and yeah, that insane run up. Obviously you're gonna have a major correction. So I was calling this before. I know some people probably didn't really see this coming, but I was calling this before that there was gonna be a major correction for Hex. There was gonna be a major correction. I think finally we're having this major correction, which is what I was looking for, because I wanted to get some more cheaper Hex. I never wanted to buy at the top, right? So obviously there's been a significant sell-off over the past week, and not exactly sure why it's happening. There could be a multitude of reasons. Obviously, anticipation for the pulse chain could be a reason for it. And I think it could also just be profit taking, right? People that got in at 1 cent, they up 50x right now. So I mean, it could just be a profit take. And obviously, you guys know that Hex does not correlate to the bull market, right? So essentially, what you usually find is that because Hex is not directly paired to Bitcoin, as a result, it's going to do its own thing, right? Even when the market is up, obviously we know that the crypto markets are up. Bitcoin is up crazy. ETH is up crazy. I mean, Binance is up crazier. So everything is up. But even so, like Hex does not is not linked, or it's not correlated to whatever is happening in crypto, whatever is happening in the market, right? So essentially, you're gonna find that Hex is gonna do its own thing, right? We've seen Bitcoin go down crazy, and Hex is the only crypto that's up. We've seen that in the past. So I mean, it's not surprising that Hex would do the opposite of what the markets are doing. Um, and that maybe that's because a lot of people, as I said, profit taking is a huge part of this too. You guys gotta keep in mind, profit taking is a huge part of this. So people that made money in Hex, want to go into a safer token or a less risky token, like say Bitcoin, where it's like, you can kind of hold your profits right there and sort of keep the value of your profits. You know what I'm saying? So that could be a factor as well playing into this. Is this something to be worried about? No. Hex is gonna do what it's gonna do. I mean, it's proven itself, man. And at the end of the day, you have to understand that origin address contains most of the supply anyway, so no one can really dump it. When you really think about it, nobody can really dump Hex. So even like, there's gonna be people that's gonna try to do it. Obviously, there's gonna be whales that are gonna make a whole bunch of money in Hex, and they're gonna do a huge dump or whatever. But that's just essentially gonna go to most of that supply, right, is gonna essentially go to the origin address, right? And obviously that origin address is going to be able to create more liquidity, for the price and keep the price stable. You see what I'm saying? Like, I think that's how it works. Yeah, because at the end of the day, like, if you own such a large portion of the supply, you can kind of manipulate the price, right? And I think that's what's going on with the origin address, where it contains such a large supply, 96% of the total HEX supply, that even if there is a major dump, which there is right now, I mean, the origin address is gonna be able to provide enough liquidity to where the price is gonna stabilize at some point. Now, where exactly it's gonna stabilize, I'm not sure. But would I say this is a great time to buy? Yeah, sure. I mean, it's down 50% from its all-time high. I mean, it's down 50%. My bad. Sorry about that. Let me put my phone on silent. My bad. Yeah, it's down 50% from its all-time high. So, yeah, basically, since it's down so much, I mean, you don't want to miss this opportunity. You may never get this opportunity again. You know what I'm saying? You may never get this opportunity again. So you do not want to miss this opportunity. It's a great opportunity to get in. So that's my advice for anybody that's trying to get into HEX right now. Definitely take advantage of this opportunity. Because 50% down from its all-time high is no joke, and it's probably not going to touch these levels again. You know what I mean? Because I really still believe HEX will be $1 at some point. And because I mean, when you think about what it's done in the past and the loyalty of the community, and obviously the pulse chain and the impact of that's gonna have on HEX and the community and everything else, like, I mean, there's everybody's talking about HEX, man. Even some of the big crypto heads, all the dudes in the community, like, even some of the well-known people in crypto, they've been talking about HEX. And HEX is, I would say, for 2021, is the best performing crypto. I mean, I can't think of anything else. I mean, you may look at like some other meme coins or whatever, Shiba or whatever, but I mean, for me personally, I think HEX is the best performing crypto of 2021. But yeah, man, so this is a great buying opportunity. I might get some more HEX because I know for a fact it's probably not going to stay here for long. I'm probably going to see it here, and then by tomorrow, it's probably going to be back at 40. So, Suzanne, like, you wanna take advantage of this when you see it. But anyways, have a great day. Pace Crypto signing out. Remember, subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more videos. Have a great day. Pace Crypto signing out. Peace.